Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but today I'm going to show you what I bought here not too long ago. It's a 7.3 Powerstroke 1999. It's got almost 171,000 miles on it. It's just about to roll over it, but here it is. It's a really clean 7.3 for being as old as it is. It's got a few body issues here and there. Like, here's an issue. It's also a 2012 box, if you can't tell already, but yeah, super nice truck. Really clean under here, frame and stuff. I'm gonna sand a little bit in some spots, but yeah, got like I think he said it's a 10-inch tip or 8. We couldn't really do the size. He forgot about it, so I think it's an 8 to a 10-inch tip. But truck's really clean. It's got some nice rims. I forget what these are called. They're not like motos or like Helios or Forces. I wish they were Forces, but those are really expensive. 12.5 wides on 33s. Really nice. It's got a little bit of rocker rust, but it's not terrible. I mean, they're still there, but 20-year-old truck, so I think it's pretty good. Underbody is pretty clean. Like, the frame is pretty spotless. It does leak a little bit of oil. Kind of 7.3 issues here, so might have to need a new oil pan, but I'll just add some oil to it. But then it's got some issues up here on the top, which I think is because the window seal went bad. Oh, it's also got 5% tint on these two windows, this one and this one. Back windshield is not tinted. You can see right through it. See? And yeah, I'm gonna do a startup. Walk around the front of the truck quickly. Really clean 7.3 Powerstroke. It is also stick. As you guys can see, the Z6 training right here. Best thing to must have in a truck. And I'm gonna start it up now. Also, it has an edge tuner programmer here. I installed a little light bar so I could see at night, because these lights at the micro light bulbs are pretty crappy bulbs. So also, it's on stage 1 tune, which is basically race mode. I'm going to bump it up to stage 2 here and leave it at that probably for the time I drive this truck. I might put on extreme sometimes here and there if I'm doing a long trip without a trailer on, to save some fuel economy. And I mean, it does dump some cool smoke, rolling coal. But other than that, I'm going to go set up in the yard and do a startup video. It hasn't been started in about, I think, 3 or 4 days, so it's probably going to start a little hard. Also, the motor does have no issues at all. It's pretty clean, low mile 7.3 Powerstroke. So here we go. I'm gonna do a little startup right now and enjoy. He has a 10-inch light bar. New alternator, intake, and I'm bringing you one of them, but I just did a fresh oil change. Everything's dry. No belly issues. some reps for you guys quick. Might let it warm up a little bit more here. But yeah. Tuner might be a little messed up on 2-in-1. It seems like it's throwing a little bit of too much white smoke, but it also hasn't been running for a little while, so, and it's also been 4 days, so probably just needs time to warm up. But I'm going to switch the tuner over here. I'm going to do a drive on stage 1 and like probably 5 minutes letting it run, and then I'll bump it up to 2 and just leave it on number 2 tune for a while, which is race. I think it's like 80 horsepower, 60 or 80 horsepower, and like 80 foot-pounds of torque or something like that, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and then take it down the road.